Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Foothill Oak Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Roadrunners. Just finished another assembly for the AM/PM after school students and staff here in the NPR. And the main focus today was on perseverance, the sub-theme being have a growth mindset. But we really tried to, kind of elevate this phrase and this mantra throughout the assembly, which was don't give up, right? No matter what, that we keep pushing, we keep persisting until success happens. And you know, it's so easy to give up. It's so easy to stay in this fixed mindset, which is where, you know, if you make a mistake, well, then you think it's over, right? If you fail, that you think you're a failure. That, you know, if you can't do it the first time, well, why even try again? But as someone that has this growth mentality, you know, we're trying to improve every day. We're trying to always get better, you know, and that's not just from our own mindset and changing our mindset. It's also how we choose to try to and help others too, to encourage others, and doing it with the right approach, right? Because you have to have the right heart and energy and passion, where you sometimes even demonstrate or model how things should be done, that you're helping that person out, supporting them through whatever it is that they're going through, whether it's trying to learn something new, or, you know, just if they need help with, you know, the smallest type of thing versus a huge project, you know. And the greatest thing that we can give somebody is our time, right? Because you can never get it back. But when we understand that, you know, the things that we do have the opportunity to maybe change a heart forever, you know, that's what this is all about. So I gave them a lot of examples, some people that have been through a lot of pain, a lot of obstacles, even at a young age, that still chose to overcome that, still chose to focus on the positive and make a healthy habit of being kind to our mind, right? Whatever you tell your mind and heart, it's gonna believe. We wanna make sure that we're telling it something very positive, right? Always keeping our head up and always doing our best, right? Doing our best and then resting. Never quitting, because we know that don't quit also says do it, right? So, you know, we always keep going. We keep striving, you know, and we keep persevering, because it's, again, very easy to get into that, you know, that day-to-day routine where, you know, we do something and, okay, didn't have the success that we thought we could have. And so, you know, I'm just gonna kind of, you know, push myself away from even, you know, trying that again. When in reality, sometimes miracles happen like at the moment that you're ready to give up, right? That basically, if you just tried one more time, if you just gave it one more chance, you know, one more shot, that basically that next time is when you could have that success. And speaking of miracles, I bring this up in every assembly, but of course I have to in this one too. But with the lines on our hands, you know, with the lines of our palms, sometimes a faint line connects, but we all have that letter M, and that M stands for miracle, right? Upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. A couple of students had that shirt on for the assembly today, which is always cool to see. And like my shirt here, the peace sign has it built in, the M and the W, there you can see, for miracle and worthy as well. But, you know, just to kind of see the impression that it's leaving on these students, you know, month after month, year after year, that I get to keep coming here and sharing my heart and seeing how they've grown, not just taller, of course, grade by grade, but, you know, just from their heart knowledge, right? And to know that we can keep doing that, I think that's what's huge. And so it's always very motivating for me to see them, you know, wanting to keep continuing to improve, wanting to never give up. And if we can instill that in them at a very youthful age, I think that's very important. So again, thanks for touching my heart. I'll be back in May for one more visit for this school year. Have a great few months until then. But as always, in the meantime, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.